Hello my friends, today we are going to make Mojo sauce, which is also known as Cuban marinade. You can buy it in the bottle at the grocery store, but I love the homemade one a lot better. So we need 8 to 10 cloves of garlic. I have quite a few here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I probably won't use that or that, it's tiny, so 14. I'll go with those 14 and get rid of those little ones. So I'm about to peel those up, and they're going to go in this little chopper with some other stuff. So I'll get those peeled and be right back. Okay, now you could chop these up by hand, and if you do, I would suggest using already ground pepper. But if you're going to use your chopper, you're going to add in a half teaspoon of peppercorns, a teaspoon of salt, basically we're making a brine so that it will tenderize our meat, and a teaspoon of oregano. And we're going to pulse all this together and mix it with sour orange juice. Don't worry, we're going to be making our own sour orange juice, because that's another thing that you might have a hard time finding or buying unless you get it from a specialty shop or online. So I'm going to pulse this and be right back. Okay, my peppercorns didn't grind up very well, so I'm just going to add a couple of dashes of, I'm just going to grind some with my grinder. Alright, so now we're going to take this out. I'm using this dish because I will be marinating meat in it today. That's going to be a separate video recipe, but I needed to make this first. I'm using this for pork. It also works well with chicken, maybe shrimp, vegetables if you like. But you need to marinate your meat at least 6 hours up to overnight. Alright, so we have that in there. I'm going to give it a little sprinkle of pepper since my peppercorns kind of remained whole. I think that garlic's going to be a bit strong, so I'm not going to go crazy with that. Okay, now for sour orange juice, all you do is take 1 part orange juice. Well, you're going to double the orange juice to the lemon and lime juice. Okay. Now for this, we need 3/4 cup of sour orange juice. So what I'm going to do is a 1/4 cup of orange juice and each 1/8 cup of lemon and lime. Okay. Fresh would probably be better on the lemon and lime, but this is what I'm working with today, so, and it works totally fine. I've made this many times, and I'm going to be making Cuban pork on another video, so I need this marinade. Alright, so we're going to do 1/4 cup of orange juice, and then these are probably stronger than it would be if it was fresh, but I'm still going to do the amount. 1/8 of that. I do have a few fresh lemons, but I'm saving them for some baked goods, so I'm going to use this today for this. Alright, that's it. That is Mojo. Mojo, I'm sorry. Mojo sauce. See, those peppercorns didn't mash up, but we're only using this to marinate it, and we're going to take our meat out of this. So, that will be fine. Alright. And that's it. You can bottle it, save it, use it as a marinade. You can double the recipe and keep it in a bottle. Bless you! But today I'm making Cuban pork in just a moment. Alright, that's it. Mojo.